Hey guys, today I'll show you how to install KeyHelp and set up an email server within it. So KeyHelp is a good cPanel alternative and it has an email server. So let's get started. So I will be installing KeyHelp on DartNode dedicated server. So if you don't want to be in a bad neighborhood on a VPS, so VPS is a shared environment with virtually separated resources. So if you have a dedicated server, you have a sole environment of your own. So I suggest get a dedicated server if you want to have multiple websites and multiple emails. So I'll be using this one, the dual Xeon E5. And if you don't know how to set up a dedicated server on DartNode, I will put a tutorial on the description down below. And I'm here on my DartNode dedicated server control panel. So just like a VPS, we'll need to connect to our server using an SSH. So I'll use Bitwise. It's absolutely free. So just paste your dedicated server IP here and just click login. Accept and save. And just paste your password here. And click new terminal console. By the way, I am using Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we'll update our system first. Then let's install KeyHelp. Just copy this one and hit enter. We'll choose N. So we will choose one. So we will set our host name. That will be 1. And this is our host name. We will also set our email address. So choose 4. Let's set our email address. Then we will proceed to install. So type S to proceed. And we will wait for a few minutes. Okay, so we will reboot our system. Okay, let's open another new terminal console. So now let's set our reverse DNS to our host name. So just go back to our DartNode control panel and go to network and go to reverse DNS. Then just set your PTR entry to your mail.yourdomain.com or .org or .ai for both IPv6 and IPv4. So let's go to our newly installed KeyHelp. So let's go here. Just highlight that and it will automatically copy. Let's open this on a new tab. And let's enter our username. So our username is this one. And our password is this. And we'll click login. Now, welcome to KeyHelp dashboard. So we'll just close this and we will create a new user. So go to user administration and we will add a client. So enter a username. So okay, we will set this to webshanks. Let's say webshanks121@gmail.com. So we will generate a new password or a secure one. And we will just copy this. Then I don't like these credentials to be sent to my email address. And also we don't need to create a system domain. And for account template, we will use unlimited, and let's apply. And you can also put your contact data. So set quota and also permissions. So all good here. And we will just click save. Then it's time to add domains. So let's go to domains. We will add a domain and we'll select the owner. So just click continue. So we will add a main domain, say webshanks.org. Okay, don't need the triple W. We'll set this to local directory. And for security, we will use let's encrypt. So before saving this, be sure to add these 3 DNS records. So an A record for our root domain and for our host name and also for our MX record. So let's go back and we'll just click save. Let's check email first. Okay, Jupyter, Apache, and let's go back to general and we'll just click save. Now we'll just wait for this processing to be successful. Everything is okay. Now let's set our DNS. So let's go to this globe icon. So just click this one. And you can see here the list of DNS records. So we have already added this records and we will add an IPv6 first. So let's go back to Cloudflare and we will set our IPv6. So let's copy this one. We will add a record. So this is for ACE. Oh, sorry, this will be the IPv6. Okay, this one. Okay, let's paste this one. We'll click save. We'll add another record. This will be mail and the IPv6. And just click save. Let's go back to our KeyHelp. Okay, we will add our DKIM. So just click show. So this will be our DKIM host. This will be a text record. And you can copy this without quotation marks. And just click save. Then we'll close this. And next for our SPF, we'll add another record. This will be a text record. This will be at. And okay, we'll copy this. And we will add IP4. So this is our IPv4. And IP6. Just copy this. and just click save. And finally, our teamwork, add another text record and just copy this. And now we have mapped our DNS record. Okay, next we will add an email user. So let's go back to domains. Then click our owner here. So click this one and we will go to email. So we will go to email addresses and we will add an email account. Okay, we'll add an email. So let's say Frankie. Add a password and set a mailbox size. And if you want to add an alias, you can go here. And also, if you want to forward this email, you can add it here. And all good. Let's save this one. Then we will go to webmail. Okay, let's log in. Okay, we are here on our webmail. It is powered by Roundcube, and let's send an email. So, okay, let's send an email to our AOL mail. Okay, let's use an email template. And let's send. We'll open our AOL mail. And we have received it on our inbox. And let's try to reply. Thank you. And let's send. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, we have received the reply from AOL. And let's test our email server on mail tester. Okay, we'll copy this recipient. Let's go to compose and we'll use the same template. And let's go back and we'll check our score. Okay, we have a 10/10. And this is our email. And all good. You are authenticated. And our spam assassins likes us. And we will now warm up our email. So we'll go to warme.io. We will get a 7-day trial. Can use the email. Frankie Bell. And we will use our email. So that will be frankie@webshanks.org. Okay, let's paste this here and we'll sign up. Okay, let's go back to our webmail and we will verify our account. Okay, we will sign in. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's add our phone number. Okay, we will set this to less than 1K or 1 to 10K. Use both subscribers and let's say cold agency. And let's say other. Okay, let's say other because we were using our own email server. Okay, no. See, let's say one. So we'll click next. So we will add our mailbox. So go to mailboxes. And add a mailbox. Okay, we will use our own SMTP. So that will be Frankie webshanks.org. Let's see, Frankie. So the SMTP username is frankie@webshanks.org. We'll just paste the password here. And for our host, it will be mail.webshanks.org. And for our IMAP, that will be the same. And the same host. We will use 993, and for our port is 587. Let's connect. And we have added our first mailbox. Okay, now we have completely set up our KeyHelp email server and the warm-up is taking place. And if you want to add more emails, just rinse and repeat. So you can go to your KeyHelp again and add email addresses. So warm-up is taking place now, and that's it. I hope you learned something, and if you have any questions, just ask them on the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.